In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use a point density node to create this outer pattern. In this scene, I have two teapot meshes, and a ground plane. This tutorial's point density node setup will only work with the cycles renderer. The teapot mesh with a pattern material is slightly larger than the light blue teapot mesh. The point density node will work well with volume nodes. I'll show you what would happen if we use a default BSDF node with the point density node. I'll add color ramp and point density nodes. We need to link another mesh, in order for the point density node to work. The default setting is set to use the particles, so we must change that to object. We can render the scene like this, without the light blue mesh. This is a material for the patterned teapot mesh. Please remember to experiment with all available settings. This is a material for the light blue teapot mesh. In order to make the patterns visible, the pattern mesh needs to be scaled a bit larger than the light blue teapot mesh. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.